Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you, I'm going to plan with you with this kit from Plush Paperies. It's called Summer Love and it's a mini kit. I don't know if they have this still on the shop, but it is a summer kit to say goodbye to summer because summer is almost over here in Australia, so that's why I'm using it. So you have all of your full boxes here, a habit tracker. You have half boxes, quarter boxes, some checklists, habit trackers, and a checklist half box. And the third page, you have the washi, which is absolutely beautiful. You have another checklist box, flags, headers, more flags, some icons, scripts, and a scalloped quarter box or half box here. So that is the kit, and to match with it, I'm of course using this beautiful washi from the Coffee Monsterz Co., which is the emoji head. I'm using this both as a header as well as washi, bottom washi at the weekend, because my weekend is stacked on this planner, coil bound planner from Light Planners Action. So I hope you enjoy this, and let's get to it. So the first thing we do, as usual, is put down the bottom washi, which this time around is not a simply gilded washi or a washi tape. It's actually a sticker from the kit, and I cut it down to size because that's my preference. I don't like to use it on across the Saturday or the Sunday because I have a lot to do on my weekend. So for Saturday and Sunday, I put down the Coffee Monsterz Co. emoji heads washi in yellow because I thought it would be a great color for summer or for the end of summer. So I put down all of my full boxes, and you will see here that I am using transparent washi tape or transparent overlay tape as headers. This washi is from Girl Boss Anna. I have a coupon code for her releases, which is SAM10. I'll put on the screen for you. And I just love washi tape and I love overlay tape. They're very convenient. And you can see these are little bows and they are absolutely adorable. And I think this spread looked really dainty. So if you want tapes like this, even perforated tapes, just go to Girl Boss Anna website and you will be able to pick this up, as well as other goodies, using my code SAM10 for 10% discount. And you will also, if you put my name on the notes, you will get my journaling card, which is absolutely beautiful. If you want more information, just go to my Instagram account and you'll be able to see it. But moving on, I put down all of my full boxes, and I also put all of my overlay tapes as my headers, and I think that it looked really nice because the design is very dainty, and because it's clear tape, it doesn't clash with any of the full boxes. I also used overlay tapes, full box overlay tapes from Girl Boss Anna, and you can see that I can peel them really easy from the sticker. Sometimes you can't peel it easy and it just ruins the full box, but these ones are really good. So I alternated between the hanging lights and the confetti, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Moving on to my Monday, what I've done was put down Coffee Monday with this girl. I don't remember the name of the shop, it's closed now, so forgive me if I can't remember, but I put down the girl with a flag and my script for Coffee Monday, as well as my glasses to mark down that I was working from home as usual. On the afternoon, I also did the litter tray, so I used the Primrose Corner girl with a cat, and the script is from Rose Colored Daze in black foil. Used a half box to mark down that I needed to follow up on a US delivery on my box coming from America. And I used this yellow half box because I think it's just beautiful. The last thing I did on the Monday was edit my haul, and I used it is a washing machine. The icon is a washing machine. I know it is. But for me, I always looked at this icon and I always thought that it was an Instagram icon. I don't know why. I really don't. But for me, washing machines and Instagram icons are pretty much the same. So that's what I used. And I used, again, the Coffee Monsterz Co. Washi to kill that awkward space that I had there on the end of my spread. Finally, we move on to Tuesday, and Tuesday was pretty much the same thing, the usual for me. I started with a half box to mark down work from home, and then I put down an important label, a scalloped important label, and I just loved it. It just made the spread so different. And I put down also a half box, but it is a checklist half box. I usually don't do checklists on my planner. I think that my life is really boring and my work is really boring, so I usually don't do that. But this time around, I actually really needed to mark down 3 important things for work, and I really wanted them on my planner. One was clean my inbox and my boss's inbox. One was get a BN course, or a course for my for our employees and our staff, as well as other things for one of the departments. Anyway, in the afternoon I added another haul, and then I marked down with a quarter box and a girl from Planet Beautiful that I needed to water my plants. And I love that quarter box because it's like wood, just like my background for my Plan With Me, but inverted, and it's really pretty. The last thing I've done that day was grocery shopping, so that's what you're seeing right now. On the Wednesday, I worked from home again, and like I said before, I really like the full box, the white full box with the slates, or that kind of white wood, and I had to use it again on Wednesday. So I've used a half box with that same pattern to mark down that it was litter tray day, and I'm thinking about getting this artwork, or at least something similar to this wood kind of design, to do myself a few things, a few deco pieces. Anyway, mark down with the Primrose Corner girl with the cat, and the script is from Rose-Colored Daze. Put down a flag and layered a laptop on it to mark down that I needed to request a day off, otherwise I would go over my hours, so that was important. That's why it's on my planner. Half box to mark down that I did the dishes, and the last thing of the day was a little house with my script to remind myself that I needed to call my mom. And that pretty much was my Wednesday. Moving on to Tuesday, that was my day off, and let me tell you, it was absolutely glorious. Sometimes I forget that I need days off, and having a day off it's really good. It feels really good. So I had my day off. I marked down that I slept in because I did, and it was awesome. I used down a half box, quarter box, not a box, but a scalloped half circle. And I really have difficulty using circles for some reason. They always, at least half circles, they always go a little bit stray. But I marked down that it was my day off like that. Added a scalloped to-do header, and then I did that trick that I did before, which is using a half box but inverting it and just doing a checklist with an icon on the side to kill that awkward space that would be without the icon. So I put the icon there, and then I just made my checklist. And I have to say, it's one of my now new favorite things to do, is using half boxes like that. It's a great way to use the white space that sometimes using the half box on the other way around wouldn't give you, but also to utilize it better. I just feel that it gives me so much more space, and I really like it. Anyway, mark down the last activity of the day, which was water my plants, and as always I use that little girl, and I'm almost out and the shop is now closed, so we'll see what I'm gonna use next. To mark Friday, I used the quarter box and a finally sticker, and then marked down work from home. Used another checklist half box or quarter box, half box, to mark a few things from work that I needed to do, and they needed to be done absolutely on that day because I had a day off before the day before, so you know how things go. Used a flag and layered a sticker on top of it, a little spray bottle, to mark down that I wanted to do the dishes. I don't know why. I also have this mindset that spray bottles are to wash dishes. I have no idea why, but I always relate one thing to the other. So if you ever thought, why is this woman doing this? It's because my mind is a little bit different. Anyway, mark down my clean litter trays with my trusted Primrose girl and my script from Rose Colored Daze. And the final thing on that day was that I received Happy Mail, which was I think that day was a washi set that I was expecting from a D-stash. Moving on to Saturday, I slept in and I marked down with a quarter box that I needed to water my plants. And that day I dedicated to film, so I filmed my plan with me. The script that I use to film is actually not mine. God, I wish. It is from Randy.plans, and she has the most beautiful handwriting ever. Her handwriting and Helen's handwriting, Helen from the Coffee Monsterz Co., are my absolutely favorite handwriting. And Randy and Helen sell the stickers with their handwriting, and I'm just here for it. So you see that I was about to write down, I'm like, no, I have a sticker for that. So I used the sticker and then I put plan with me. Finally, the last thing that I marked down on my planner for Saturday was the Simply Gilded pre-sale. I know I have so much washi, but she had green and silver, and I don't have a lot of green and silver, so I had to. Anyway, I put down the sticker from Marshmallow Studio. It's Wash Your Food. I don't know if they have it still, but it's a great sticker, and I marked down Simply Gilded pre-sale. Sunday, again, it was, the good old sleep in. And when I say sleep in, is 1 hour after what I would usually wake up, because the cats are hungry, so they just wake me up anyway. On Sunday, again, I put my half box vertically and put down my little caddy to mark down that it was cleaning day. And I put down the cleaning day script on the bottom this time, because on the top would be really cluttered. So I marked down vacuum, mop, and laundry, which were my main tasks for that day. The last thing I do every Sunday is call my mom, and I used a Graceful Planner sticker, clear sticker, to remind myself of doing that, and my own script. And that is my final spread for my summer 2021, and it's over. This is the final summary spread. You can expect a lot of fall kits from me from now on, because it's that time of the year here in Australia, and I'm really happy because I just love fall. I really do. The weather is just perfection, especially here when it's really hot on summer. Anyway, I love the colors. They're not as pastel as most shops do, but they are also not as bright as most shops do. So I'm very happy how it turned out. It's a simple spread, but it's just a delight. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a note on the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands. Love you, lottles. Bye.